Hello team, we are going to talk about features and how to add them. It's pretty straightforward. All you've got to do is press tab and there you go, you've got the list of features you can add. So if you want to put a button, you click on it and you place it on the ground, and then you've got the settings of it. Press tab, put some images. I don't have a wall right now, so I'm just going to make one. Say I've got this wooden one right here. Cool. Oh, I'm going to add image, and I'm going to put an image. I need to get a hyperlink, so sorry, a URL. So I need to get that from a hosted file. So for example, if you have a Dropbox, you can just get that from your Dropbox, or you can get it from files in the Cryptovoxels Discord. So I'm going to use a texture right there. Cheers, green swordfish. Copy link. Back to Cryptovoxels URL. There you go. I'm just going to refresh. Oh, there you go. Don't need to refresh. It's right there. Right. If you press E, you can edit a Vox model or a feature, and you can delete it. And there we go. Right. I'm going to add a Vox model now. So press on Vox, put it on the ground. It looks like this. Press E, click on it. And now I'm just going to add a URL to it. So say I've got my pitch pack right there, some space, copy the link and put it right there, and there we go. Here's a Vox. So I'm going to increase the size of it, scale, oops, put it up, and 5. Great, this is faster. Cool, a giant space. Awesome. And that's pretty much it for features. Not much else to do. If I go in this parcel, I can what you can do is add an NFT. So if you've got the NFT here, and just add the URL of the NFT. Something else you can do is you can go to NFTs, wait for it to load. I'm just going to give it a sec. There we go. Cryptovoxels, Cryptovoxels names. We've got the heady store right there, so I can click on it and put it there, and there we go. Here's an NFT. Sweet, that's pretty much it for features. You guys have fun.